In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop on Capcut. If you're aiming to create seamless, engaging, and captivating videos, learning how to loop your clips effectively can be a game changer. So let's dive right into it and walk through the process together in a clear and straightforward way. First things first, you'll need to open up Capcut and import your video clip. They say the first step is often the hardest, but with Capcut's user-friendly interface, you're already off to a great start. Make sure your clip is loaded and ready to go. If you're unsure how to import your clip, just go to the main screen and tap on the import option, where you can easily select your desired video right from your device's gallery. Once your clip is imported, the next thing you'll want to do is add it to the timeline. This is where the magic happens. By adding your video to the timeline, you are setting up a workstation where you can make edits, cuts, and of course loops. Simply tap on the clip and drag it down to the timeline area, perfectly positioning it at the beginning to ensure a seamless continuation. Now that your clip is nestled nicely in the timeline, the fun part begins. Tap on your clip to select it. Once you've done that, look for the copy or duplicate option. This function will create an exact duplicate of your selected clip. If duplicate is available, it might save you a couple of seconds, but both options essentially accomplish the same goal. Selecting one of these options will create a clone of your clip, which we can use to establish the loop. Once your clip is copied, it's time to paste or add it right after the original in the timeline. Simply take that copied clip and place it directly after the first one. This tool follows the strategy where the repeat of action solidifies your learning. From here you can rinse and repeat the steps as many times as you'd like to create a longer loop effect. The more repetitions, the longer your loop will be. You have full control over how many iterations you add, depending on the length and effect you're aiming for in your final product. With your loop assembled, take a moment to preview the timeline and see the looping effect in action. Pay attention to the transition between each loop to ensure that it flows naturally and seamlessly. Adjust as necessary to get it just right. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time for the finishing touch. Go ahead and export your video. Just tap the export button, which you can find on the upper right of your screen. Choose your desired settings and let Capcut do its thing. And there you have it, you've successfully created a looping video on Capcut, ready to impress and entertain. Simple as that. With these easy steps, you're now equipped to add a professional touch to your projects. So go ahead, experiment, and let your creativity take the lead.